Hello everyone, I'm Kasim Saifuddin, your host for the day on News with Different Views. After the amazing winter session we had last time, I'm here to take you on a magical trip of exciting news for today. In fact, I've invited some extraordinary guests to see how they feel about the current happening in relations to their achievement. But trust me, it will be like a blast from the past. So let's not make them wait further and begin with our show. Please welcome our first guest back from the dead, Sir Walt Disney. First of all, I would like to wish you a very merry 50th birthday to you and your company on behalf of my team and my school.
Thank you. That's really nice of you.
Okay, so tell me, how do you feel about the grand celebration happening this year at Disney World, Florida?
Well, Qasim, since the day my brother and I created this company, we never imagined it will grow so fast in the ginormous world of entertainment. It gives me great pleasure to tell you all about the themes of this year's celebration, which started on the 1st of October 2021. It is the world's most magical celebration, which is going to last for a total of 18 months.
18 months? Wow! But what if they're going to happen for 18 months?
Don't you know? Since the Disney was established, we have developed a lot over the time. Now we have spread the 40 square miles featuring 4 theme parks, 2 water parks, 25 hotels and dozens of restaurants and shops. We get 50 million visitors annually, so we have to entertain all of them.
Okay, so what kind of activities do you do that require so much space?
Well, for starter to increase the excitement of our Disney characters, we have changed their typical dress codes to the fluorescent clothes. Then you have dazzling fireworks, immersive projection effects all across the park. Tron Light Cycle Run Roller Coaster is currently under construction. Then you have Epcot First Run Roller Coaster Ride, known as the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Our restaurants are featuring the extensive list of yummy to tummy, sweet and savory treats for guests to enjoy. And so much more. It's literally gonna take me the whole day to list them down.
That all sounds so awesome. I wish I was there right now. And by the way, what is your plan after going from here?
Isn't it obvious? I'll go back to my coffin. It's not like I was invited to the party.
Cool. Can I ask you for a favor? Can you wake up my next guest up from his coffin because my viewers would love to see him?
Sure. Whom do I have to wake up?
That would be Mr. Albert Einstein.
Sure, I will.
Sir Walt Disney, I would like you to stay here with us.
Thank you.
Great. So guys, please welcome our second guest of the day. Please welcome Mr. Albert Einstein.
Hello, my back really hurts from all that lying down for so long. So may I know what am I here for?
Sir, we would like to know your sentiments about the auction which was held in favor of your handwritten documents on theory of relativity.
First of all, I would like to utilize this opportunity to thank everyone for respecting my research work, even though people thought me as a fool when I was alive and well. Secondly, OMG, I'm still in a shock that my handwritten notes are now worth $13 million after the auction in Paris. My previous handwritten notes that were auctioned, including God Letter and A Secret of Happiness, were worth only $2.8 and $1.5 million.
Sir, if you don't mind me asking, can you tell us something about those notes on theory of relativity?
Sure, my boy. Well, you see, I wrote that document in 1913 till 1914 when I was in Zurich, Switzerland with my colleague, a Swiss engineer, Michael Besso. It is almost 54 pages long.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable time, and your researches have helped us a lot and especially kept us students very bored during the classes.
Mention not, son. Now I shall go and rest in peace again.
No, sir. You should also stay with us.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so let's see who else we have with us over here today. Okay, audience, want to guess? All I need to say is Apple. Which celebrity names comes to your mind when we say Apple? Yes, Steve Jobs. Today we have a great personality who are long past are gone, but their names are etched in our mind due to their great contributions towards the world. Please welcome one of the pioneers of the computer age, Sir Steve Jobs. How do you feel still being in this news?
Well, it feels great to leave behind a legacy that the world benefits from. It's like sowing a seed and watch it grow into a tree. Just recently, the original Apple computer that I made myself along with my colleague Steve Buzank 45 years ago got sold for $400,000 in the US.
Yes, and viewers, this functioning Apple I, regarded as the great grandfather of today sleek chrome and glass MacBook. This Apple I is one of the only 200 hand-built computers and is a collectible item for the computer age.
It was originally purchased by an electronics professor at Sheffield College in California, who then sold it to a student in 1977 who just paid $60 at the time. Who could have known that a computer this old and outdated could generate $400,000?
Oh yes, and people usually throw away old things as a junk.
Well, you should be selective and decide that things you may think is trash could someday be treasure.
The thing I own, do I not give to everyone?
Of course not. But if there's something in your family which is kept by your forefathers, then do not toss it out without a second thought. The present is always connected to the past.
Well,
Oh, you're so right about that.
Thank you.
yes, and viewers, let me introduce our last guest of the day. I'm sure you can recognize him. Of course, the man who is famous for his chicken recipes, loved worldwide. The founder of the Kentucky Fried Chicken, commonly known as KFC, Sir Colonel Harland David Sanders.
As you all were just discussing that the past and present are always connected. People preserve my recipe and today they are innovating with them.
And what's the innovation? A new kind of chicken wrap?
No, now KFC has a wider variety for veggie lovers. KFC is known for their chicken above anything else. And while they have their original recipe, the food chain has been experimenting with new plant-based Beyond Fried Chicken that will now be available at participating locations nationwide. The goal is for the Beyond Fried Chicken to still have the familiar taste and texture of a traditional chicken without any animal-based product. It will be available as KFC's first ever plant-based combo meal, which comes with secret recipe fries and a medium drink. You can also order just the Beyond Fried Chicken in 6 or 12 pieces. Orders with any of KFC's dipping sauce. As a reminder, those dipping sauces include honey barbecue, honey mustard, ranch, and KFC sauce will be exciting you.
I would love to try it. Well, we now come to end of today's bulletin. And viewers, we hope you have enjoyed our news updates and meeting all these personalities who are not with us but still exist in our life because of their devotion, dedication, and above all passion for the things they did. Thank you.
You're welcome.